In front of me is Chuwi HiPad Max, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password added to Google Passwords Manager. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll all the way down to Access Google section. Then tap on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Google Password Manager. Following that, just tap on one of your passwords that you wish to get rid of. Then enter your current login method and tap on Delete button right next to the Edit one. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, my password was successfully deleted from Google Passwords Manager. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!